Hey there, fellow YouTubers! Are you tired of spending hours upon hours scrolling through endless videos on YouTube without any reward? Well, have no fear because we have found the solution for you. Welcome back to Cash Collect. In this video, we will be showing you how to watch YouTube videos for free and earn up to $50 an hour. That's right, you heard us correctly. Simply sit back, relax, and let us guide you through this easy and fun way to earn some extra cash while enjoying your favorite YouTube videos. So, without further ado, let's get down to business, shall we? The best money-related website is lemurmoneycom. You may be asking what steps you need to take to start generating money from your spare time spent viewing movies. Indeed, we just found out about a fresh, new website called lemurmoney.com that pays its customers $100 a day only to view movies. That's correct, you heard me. This completely changes the game because you can now monetize your YouTube viewing habits. Please don't think that because it sounds fantastic that it is impossible. You may earn consistent income with Lemur Money, a reputable company that pays you to view videos. By just watching videos, you may keep making money on a daily basis. Let's get right down to business. Just how can one get their financial footing with Lemur Money? It's not that hard to figure out. Creating an account is the initial step, and it can be done in a few simple clicks. You won't have to devote a lot of time to it. By signing up, you'll be able to start making money straight away. You may sign up for Lemur Money by clicking the sign up button that appears in the page's upper right-hand corner. If you click on it, you'll be sent to a form where you can fill up your personal details, such as your name, email address, and password. The site will only send you notifications and updates to the email address you provide, so be sure it's a good one. Creating a profile is the first step towards earning money by viewing videos. The site's algorithm monitors your activity and automatically updates your balance. So fast and simple, right? Money will start coming in before you know it, as I promised. Thus, why delay? To make some additional money, go to lemurmoney.com, create an account, and start viewing movies. It's an easy way to supplement your income, and you never know, it may even become your new favorite pastime. When you start using Lemur Money, there's one crucial thing you should know. The site's algorithm only gives you credit for films you view in their whole. As a result, you risk having your account terminated if you skip even a single movie. I realize it's a lot of information to take in, but it's necessary to play by the rules if you want to make money using the service. Look at how this user's access has been revoked for breaking the rules. Don't you wish you could avoid being in the same situation? Using this website to make some additional money is, believe me, a great idea. In addition to getting paid to do something you presumably already love doing, in this case, viewing videos on YouTube, you can also increase your earnings by introducing your friends to the site. Referring your friends to Lemur Money, I can assure you, is a win-win scenario for everyone involved. Not only do you be paid a commission for each person you bring in, but you also help them find a fun and simple method to make money online. It's in everyone's best interest to spread the news, as that commission has the potential to grow into a substantial sum over time. Imagine all the fresh, entertaining channels you and your friends will find on YouTube as a result of your efforts. In doing so, you may perhaps discover some excellently concealed treasures. Perhaps you'll be inspired to create your own YouTube channel and use it to make even more money on lemurmoney.com. If you want to get some additional money, don't be shy about referring your friends. It's a lot of fun and it might end up benefiting you much. Please observe the guidelines and see the videos in their entirety. And before you know it, you'll be well on your way to financial independence via the World Wide Web. Swagbucks is the number 2 website on this list. Now, I also wanted to mention a few more sites where you can get money by viewing movies, but I have to be upfront and tell you that they don't pay nearly as much as Lemur Money does. If you're interested in trying something new or just need some additional income on the side, they're a good fallback plan. It is crucial to remember, however, that a number of Trustpilot reviews have made claims that these other websites are not as trustworthy as they portray themselves to be, and even that they are outright scams. Yet, since everyone's life is unique, you shouldn't allow it to discourage you from looking into alternative possibilities. There is no harm in trying something new. However, we do advise continuing with Lemur Money due to the site's excellent ratings and the great feedback it has received from users who have previously made money using the program. You never know which of these other sites may end up being the one that helps you earn the most money. Swagbucks is a well-liked platform for making money online in which users earn points by viewing videos. It's been available to people as a viable means of supplementing their income since 2010. A whopping $348 million in cash and gift cards have already been distributed to consumers. Visit the Swagbucks Watch platform, select one of the more than 10 available categories, and start earning money right now. It is quite straightforward and simple to use. Entertainment, cuisine, and style are just a few of the broad categories from which to pick. Inside each, you'll discover playlists housing a variety of videos. Playlists range from under 30 minutes to over an hour in length, and you gain experience points for watching them all. In addition to the points you get from viewing videos, you can also make money on Swagbucks by participating in surveys, testing new items, and even browsing the web using the Swagbucks search engine. I like how Swagbucks gives you so many options for making money. It's convenient since you can make a little extra money in a variety of ways, and the points you earn may be converted into cash or gift cards. So don't fret if you think you might not have enough points for redemption. One of the best features of Swagbucks is the $10 registration incentive it gives to new users. To sum up, Swagbucks is a great option to consider if you're searching for a supplementary income stream. And for number 3, check out Inbox Money. There's also a choice called Inbox Dollars that you might use. This platform has been operational since the year 2000, and it has already distributed over $50 million to its users. It's true that you may make money with Inbox Dollars by watching videos like movie trailers and product highlights and demonstrations, much as with Swagbucks. Games, emails, and coupon downloads are all ways to make a little more income on the side. Moreover, new account holders receive a $5 cash incentive. That's really awesome. You may get your financial footing quickly and with little effort. Some sites may pay more than Inbox Dollars, but it's smart to have a fallback plan in case your first choice is unavailable or offers fewer possibilities. With Inbox Dollars, you may make money in your spare time without having to do any work. Lemur Money is your greatest bet, especially if you're just starting out. If you have the time though, you can also make money through the other two services. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn money while on autopilot, so if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.